Hello, friends. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Thanks for coming back. Now, if you have not done so already, definitely take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Also, check out some of our other videos. You guys, we have videos on almost every single home decor style. It's great. But in today's video, let's talk about vintage home decor. Now, before we get all the way into the video, take a moment, please, and go ahead, head over to facebook.com and join us in our group, And Then There Was Style. You can also find us on TikTok and Pinterest, And Then There Was Style. Okay, enough talking. Let's get into the video. Vintage design refers to an item of another era that holds important and recognizable value. This style can be applied to interior design, decor, and of course, other areas. Vintage design is popular and vintage items have risen in price, like kinda super high. Outlets of vintage design have shifted from thrift store to now shabby chic stores. But what does this mean in terms of your home? Even true fans of modern and contemporary home decor are just really hard-pressed to deny the warmth and beauty of an old, well-built structure. So while a Victorian mansion or sturdy craftsmen are distinct in style, it's the decades of stories gone by reflected in their detail, features that are responsible for just really enriching your soul upon entry. Now, that's a quality that is super hard to manufacture. So if your dream pre-1980s homes just isn't attainable, try implementing some of these tips to give your modern home an extra helping of soul. Tip number 1, display real paintings. Prints didn't really exist like they do now back in the day, which is why machine-made art feels, well, machine-made. Some people say that every artist breathes a soul into his or her work, thus transferring soul points to the house in which it resides. Even if you lean towards modern or abstract, finding a piece of art that you love has this human-made textural quality that will help give your home that indescribable old world feeling. Number 2, use high-quality organic materials. Again, low-quality plastics and synthetic blends didn't exist back when our dream indefinite-era home was built. Now, if you're looking to move away from the modern McMansion look, pieces that are made with natural materials like really hardy woods and metals and an organic finish or high-quality linens and wools are great options. Plus, a little bonus tip for you. Don't feel like you have to replace all of your linens and furniture at once. By building up your possessions one at a time, you'll avoid stockpiling whatever is on trend, making for a more timeless overall aesthetic. Number 3, buy from multiple eras. Buying antique pieces for your home is probably the most obvious choice for bringing some historical character into your home, but be careful. While mid-century modern may be your go-to decade for home decor, remember that real mid-century homes were, by and large, comprised of pieces predating that era. Using a mixture of pieces from a variety of eras is the best way to give your home that warm, lived-in feel without it looking really like a themey type vintage store. Number 4, install crown molding and baseboards. It's time to agree with your grandmother about one thing: they don't make them like they used to. Maximum profit trumps attention to detail in modern architecture, meaning pretty carved baseboards and arched doorways are really hard to come by these days. Try adding elements of detailed design to your walls with crown molding, baseboards, or renter-friendly wooden shelves or frames that contain carved detailing. Number 5, put up a picture railing. Now, if you have ever noticed a narrower molding just below the ceiling in a really old house, it's actually not a crown molding, that's a picture molding, originally installed to allow homeowners to hang art on the walls without damaging plaster. This molding contains a lip just big enough to hang special hooks. Number 6, paint with lime wash. Chances are your flat, smooth drywall is making your home feel more sterile than soulful, which is why lime wash paint is a great option. This mineral-based pigment has been around for centuries and gives walls movement, texture, and character without feeling unnatural or forced like some faux finishes out there. Number 7, replace modern hardware. Try replacing modern brushed nickel hardware with classic pulls and knobs and a natural finish. There are so many options available on the internet as far as style is concerned. Also try stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, Target for some really cool and maybe not so popular options that are really set your home apart. Number 8, look for worn rugs. Rugs are a must-have for anyone looking to add an old-world warmth to their home. Hold out for a piece that is big enough to fit under all of the furniture in whatever space that you're buying it for, and make sure it shows some actual wear. In this case, it's a great thing. Be warned, faux distressing may look really good on the internet, but in person, sometimes you can be less than satisfied. You can Google vintage rugs or see if you see any on your local Facebook groups. And while you're on Facebook, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, And Then There Was Style. Alright guys, so as usual, I have to ask you to comment down below. Let me know your favorite vintage room, or if you would have a vintage theme in your home. I'm so interested. Comment down below. Let's talk about it. Alrighty guys, so I asked you to comment down below and let me know your favorite vintage room. If you want to know mine, it is this gorgeous room right here. I just like how it's already set up for conversation, if that makes sense. I really like this room. What do you think? Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!